Hi all. During my preparation for post IEEE EV hackathon, I came to understand more about electric and hybrid vehicles. I studied how the sizing of an EV powertrain is done and also the various control strategies used to control the PMSO motor which has been used in the electric vehicles. It was really helpful in my power electronics and electric drive BTech syllabus subjects during my college period. We actually watched a lot of NPTEL videos and learned how to size the electric powertrain of an EV vehicle. It really helped to land a dream job in Bosch. Through this competition, I got a 3 months internship experience in Bosch, which opened my eyes to the future possibilities and trends in EV. The seniors and the colleagues in Bosch are really helpful to provide us a deep understanding about the working of motor and motor control strategies. So it's a really nice opportunity for students like you to be placed in a multinational company like Bosch. So I wish all the very best to all the participants. Thank you.
What makes EV Hack different is that it's a national level hackathon in which student teams from different universities compete against each other. Rather than a 24-hour hackathon, this hackathon provides a longer duration for the students to ideate and iterate their solutions. In this period, the experts provide training programs for the participants. And most importantly, the winners of the hackathon are given an opportunity to do internship with Bosch.
My experience has been very phenomenal with BGSW. I've always felt more of like a family than being in a team, especially when I've gotten the opportunity to share my ideas. All the brainstorming sessions has helped me go a long way with my project, and I'm very indebted for the fact that I've been put into live projects more than any of the learning projects. So it's been such, the learning curve has been incredible. Thank you EV Hack 2.0 for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Serin Judge. I've done my internship at Bosch and I've worked on the topic called PSFD. It's a DC-DC converter. It's a topology used in DC-DC converter. It was indeed a wonderful experience doing an internship at Bosch. The way I got into Bosch was through EV Hack 2.0. The hackathon, me and my team had worked hard to solve the problem. The most important problem that we tried to solve through a problem statement was the energy generated from the motor driver was not efficiently transferred to the motor. As a result, we had to develop a impedance matching circuit which was integrated within the motor driver so that the energy generated from the motor driver was efficiently delivered to the motor. So this was the key aspect that we tried to solve, and since our panel liked it, we had been the finalists for EV Hack 2.0. This was my experience on EV Hack 2.0, and I wish you all the luck, best of luck, and meet you in Bosch. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Hari Krishnan. I'm currently leading the electric powertrain thermal simulation tasks at Bosch Global Software Technologies. I was honored to be an evaluation panel member at the 2022 Bosch EV Hackathon final rounds. It was actually an amazing experience to see so many creative and innovative ideas come to life. The teams were also passionate, about their projects, and it was clear that they had put a lot of hard work into them. The teams were also, the solutions offered in the last hackathon were all very different and unique. But they all had sort of one thing in common. They all focused on making the electric vehicles more accessible and more sustainable. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you all come up with this year. The possibilities are really endless. So wishing you the best, learn as much as you can, and put those learnings into practice in the project. All the best. Thank you.
So one of the major managerial skills that I acquired while managing EV Hack was that I was able to enhance the professional skills and also I was able to enhance my communication skills with the professionals who was working in the Bosch as well as in the joint chapter, and also I would try my level best to clarify the doubts of the participants of the EVA. So entirely it was a a major training for me.
Hello guys, My name is Akash Philip, and I'm working under the thermal simulations 4A drives. So basically, the inverter and the machine. So to share my experience on how the EV hack has helped me gel into the Bosch atmosphere for this EHV. So basically, how it helped me was it helped me a lot actually. The thing is, like in college, you learn a lot of things. Yeah, you learn the theory, you learn the control strategy, you learn the equations, you learn the derivation and everything you learn. But you never understand how it works. So you give this sort of a current, or you give this voltage. So what happens in the inverter, what happens in the machine, you don't know that. Maybe you can figure it out, but only after a lot of time. So how the EV hack helped me was, it gave this broader understanding of this device basically. And only because of that, I was able to develop a more technical insight into this, as well as a more deeper interest. So the interest I got after this EV hack was very huge. So I understood how these things work in a deeper and internal perspective. So now I'm able to understand the system as a whole also. So how it helped me in this job was there are many people in my office. So they are 2-3 years experience. So I was actually afraid maybe I'm a fresher, so there's got to be a big disparity between both of us. But actually, since the EV hack, I worked for studied and worked for 3 months. That's all it took. 3 months are all it took. But the information I got from those 3 months working and testing out the simulations and looking at the outputs and everything was very immaculate. So now I can actually easily have a conversation with my seniors in my office. So in the thermal topics, I'm actually able to tell them, yeah, this is what happens. And when they tell me, I'm able to understand. So I'm able to have a discussion with them. And that actually makes me really happy. So technically, I am very sound. So I can easily, I can see that I understand this, I know this. So this technical perspective is very good from the EV hack. And also actually very happy working under the thermal topic. So the thermal boundary is the major boundary for the system we have. So that I understood, and to work on that to control the thermals, how to control the thermal temperature, and how the temperature affect all the components, and how we can modify the performance of the system through thermal control and everything. It's a very interesting topic to work on. So yeah, I guess you guys can also enjoy this.
Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I work for the system engineering at Powertrain level. I've been a part of BGSW since past 8 years, and last year I was also a panel member for the EV hackathon. So last year's experience was quite good. We could see the commitment from all the participants on meeting the problem statement, and we also saw most of the participants going in depth. So that was a really good experience, and this year we are looking forward for a similar commitment from all the participants. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ajeshas. I won the second prize in EV Hack 2.0, so that I got an internship in GSW. I did my internship in functional safety department. One of the most rewarding aspects of this internship was the chance to work on a real project that had a tangible impact. I wasn't just given a busy work, instead I was entrusted with the responsibilities that allowed me to contribute to the company's success. It was an incredibly fulfilling to see my ideas come to life, make a difference. Thanks to BGSW, thanks to EV Hack 2.0.
So hi all. First of all, hearty welcome to all participants of EV 3.0. So myself, I am Renju Kuriakos. I am leading the AI development team within Powertrain area. So I would say I was lucky enough to be part of the Hack 2.0, and it was actually indeed a really grand event. We had close to 2,000 participants, and if we see for the judging panel, it was a really tough call. We had 34 teams in the final round. And specifically speaking about the hackathon, it was really a grand event, and it was really a showcase of lot of technical know-how from the participants. I recall most of at least multiple teams, they were able to showcase a fully built prototype of EV vehicle as a simulated model, and many of them, they were able to actually decide on the precise components with simulations. So this time for Hack 3.0, I really expect much more of it. So maybe we can really see some of them exhibiting or showing real demo of EV vehicles in simulation. So wish you all the best, and wishing even I would say last time Hackathon 2.0 deciding on winner was really challenging, where it was we had to decide on one winner, So at one point we had to really take a decision whether we should go with one winner or multiple winners. We had 3 4 teams who was really very close by, and later we also decided we will extend our internships to more participants, as we really had real technical guys in the competition. So hoping the same will repeat this time. So wish you all the best. Thank you all.
VHAC 2.0, a pan-India contest from 2022. Me being the co-coordinator of VHAC 2.0, it gave me a great professional growth and also a great professional development, because it covered around 21 different states of India, comprising of about 1,600 plus students, and that itself is a huge thing. For me, working with the leading industry experts from Bosch and also other people actually gave me a great career development, and right, for me it was a great learning curve, and also it gave me a mature perspective about the industry too.
Hi guys, I am Manushree and I am selected for this internship from EVHAC 2.0. I worked on the project Power Electronic Switch Testing Tools GUI, where we have developed a GUI for microcontroller. The base for this internship is hackathon. You will get enough time to solve the problem, so don't give up in the first day. Try as much as you can. Definitely, it's a very great opportunity to work with Bosch. Like you will learn very new things by solving